Peppa's picnic mystery. Who took the toys and food? George, hurry up! It's such a sunny day. We're going on a picnic.
Dinosaur wants picnic too.
Roar! George, are you ready yet? Don't forget your dinosaur.
Someone is coming.
Hi, Peppa. We came to play.
Hello, friends. Guess what? George and I are going on a picnic. Wanna come with us?
Dinosaur hungry. Picnic time.
Yay! I'll bring the cups. I'll carry the toy carrots.
Let's go!
This is the perfect picnic spot.
Dinosaur, sit here.
Let's set up the blanket.
What a lovely day to be outside.
I like the way the clouds look today. That one looks like a flower.
That one looks like dinosaur.
Wait, where did everything go?
Dinosaur didn't take it.
Our picnic things, they're gone. Let's call the police.
What's the problem here?
All our food and toys disappeared.
Let's search for clues.
Someone small left these clues. Officer, can you take a picture of it?
On it!
We'll follow the trail and find out who did this. Oh no, this branch is in the way. We can't go any further.
What do we do now?
We need assistance. Let's call in the fire department.
Hello, officers. What's the emergency?
We've been investigating a missing picnic mystery. The children's food and toys vanished. And the clues led us here. But now this big branch is blocking the way forward.
Ah, a forest mystery. Sounds exciting. I'm ready to help. Good luck, detectives. Let me know if you need more help.
Officers, did you find anything?
We didn't see much. Any clues?
Did you find dinosaur?
George, are you all right?
Oh no, George.
You were very brave, George. We'll call doctor.
No worries, a tiny bandage will fix that.
Thank you, Doctor.
Wait, what's that? Something's moving behind those bushes. A hen, and she's got all the food. Everyone, come here. We've found something important. Good news, everyone. We found the missing picnic items. It was a hungry little hen. She was hiding behind the trees with all your food.
She must have been super hungry. Well, I guess she didn't mean to steal it.
Well, then let's share what's left and play together.
This was actually kind of fun.
More fun than dinosaurs.
You kids did a great job today. You stayed calm, asked for help, and worked as a team.
We couldn't have done it without you.
That's what real detectives do.
Now that the forest is safe again, I'm ready for a little picnic fun too. Yeah, police, firefighters and doctors are real heroes.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next story. Bye-bye.